Hey, it's Todd. I just woke up early in the morning and was thinking about the movie that I'm making that I paid somebody to edit and film for me. And I'm just really into this whole theory, of treatment for cancer. So I put the parts in the movie, known cancer treatments that we have today, like marijuana, massage therapy. I'm having a hard time finding a guy that he doesn't want to do the acupuncture on camera, so I'm having a hard time with that. But everybody else is really helping out, and I really appreciate everybody for helping. We're gonna give something nice to John Wayne's family so they can live stream this film. Appreciate it. G. Wolf Entertainment and Productions. Todd Wolf. Giving of myself and a community of others giving of themselves for a cause. Thank you.